Let's go, girls. Get going. So it is a little after 4:15 a.m. right now. Just got started milking. Out here getting pen 1 over. Let's go. Come on. Gotta try to be patient with these girls. Come on. My name is Eric Weaver. I'm just going to make a video today of what I'm doing throughout the day. So started off this morning milking. Now I'm down at the heifer farm, our rented farm, feeding heifers. Well, I didn't get started yet. I'm just out here watching them. They're just kind of chilling. So these are breeding age heifers. So if they show heat, we can breed them today. So I just like to watch them a couple times a day for that. And then I'll get to mix and feed here in a minute. So this is the feed room down at the heifers. So I got the haylage and silage in, just started running out. I'll just show you the bunk feeder. Alright, so I'm out here in the calf barn. I just moved out these 6 here yesterday, and 5 of them are tug and vaccinated, but the youngest one was just born yesterday morning and I didn't get that done yet, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to put the dehorning paste on all 6 of them. So I got my tags here. This is a nasal vaccine we give. We're big on preventing diseases rather than treating sick calves. So. And then this is also a vaccine that we're going to give under the skin to prevent pneumonia. And then this is my stuff for dehorning, so I'm going to get going with that. Alright, so we'll give the nasal vaccine. And then the implant vaccine, just underneath the skin. That's it. Alright, so I just got done dehorning these. You just see the little dots there. That's the paste to put on. Just give them a little haircut, trim that hair away, and then put the paste right there on the bud. We found this to be the best way to do it. They don't really seem to mind it, and it'll just stop that horn from ever growing. They really don't seem to be any different right now, like they're in pain or anything, so that's good. So I'm out here at the bunks now. Twice a week I like to go up here and cut the plastic back before it gets in our way for feeding. So just gotta hop up on top of here and cut this back. So this will give us a few more days of fresh corn silage here. This is really good stuff. Really happy with it. It's coming out really nice this fall. Try to keep up with managing it well. Just finished cutting this back here. Pin where the 3-1 arm passes. It's covered with manure.
See it don't catch.
Yeah. No.
I mean, the only thing is, where's that hammer at?
So my dad was kind of working at this morning. Last week we got real cold temperatures down the lower teens, and this thing stopped working. 3-point hitch stopped lifting up. So we usually have this on a manure scraper, or we always have it on the manure scraper. So we need the 3 points to work, and we were trying to figure out what's wrong with it. We realized there's water in the hydraulic oil, so we got that all warmed up and drained out yesterday, and yeah, it's just kind of a mess. But so we're gonna do something here that we do about once a month. We're gonna take 8 heifers here that are about 10 months old, take them down to the other farm and make some room so we can move this barn up and bring some calves down from the calf barn.
I guess you just jacked up.
All right, girls, get up on there. Come on, come on. That is how it's done. All right.
Come on, girls, don't fall up in here, right?
These are about 22 months old. They'll be having a calf here in another couple months, their first calf. So. Come on, girls. This is the dry cow barn here. So this is our heifer barn for calves, about 3 months through 10 months. Put them in here straight out of the calf barn. We just took the oldest ones down to the other farm, so I gotta go through and move everything down one level. Got this pen emptied out here, moved everything down. Be ready to bring 6 more down from the calf barn, but I'm gonna go take lunch now. We're gonna move out calves in a minute. Dad's taking care of the bedding right now. We bed out in our free cell barn 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday afternoon. So Dad's doing that today, but either of us will do that. Pretty handy. We just have a big bucket with the spinner on the bottom. Just blows it out real nice. All right, girls. Come on. Whoa. I'm down here at the heifers. We want to bed up this barn. This is where the pregnant heifers stay. So I got the skid loader here, the bale forks on it. I think they're pretty happy. So we got done down at the heifers. Dad came down and helped me. Now he's taking a bale up for the other pen up at the barn. Yeah, I just gotta mix feed yet. Take about an hour and a half, and then that'll be good for the day. So I just wanted to mention one of the keys to success, in my opinion, would be consuming a soda once a day at least. Honestly, it's probably not a key to success. It's probably a key to early death, but yeah, it's kind of a habit I've built up over time, so. So I just got done feeding here. I'm gonna call it a day now. It's not even quite 5 o'clock, but I want to be somewhere else at 6, so I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is basically it for the day. I'm gonna come out later around 9 o'clock or so and just check the pretty fresh cows here, make sure we don't have any calves being born or anything. And I'm on call for the milking tonight yet, but hopefully that won't take more than 5 minutes of my time. So yep, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.